Alrighty folks, the day has arrived where I got the windows. I'm just gonna take a quick peek here on the right side. There's some hay over here for some reason. Not sure what that's about. Not sure about that. Anyways, got the windows in. I'm gonna show you that. They got some paper down here. Not sure what this delivery was all about right here, or what all that garbage is about. Got some trim, so maybe, I have no idea. No idea. I think that's the wood for the top of the peaks at the top of the house. But anyways, I'm going to show you the windows. So got the windows here. Looks like all of them are in. I'm not sure, but we're gonna go find out. So I would assume electrical inspection is coming really soon. Here's another window right there. Window sliding door. Okay, I see you. That's cool. There is a crack across the top. Not sure why. Okay, well, that'll get fixed, I'm sure. Anyway, sliding door, we'll test that out. Another window across the back, and then my window. So really there's only 5 windows in the house, and this is still broken. That's still not wired there for the electrical. It is pretty warm in here, so it might not stay too long, but I think that's about it. So just mainly windows today. I haven't been out here in I don't know, 3 or 4 days, so I wanted to come out here before it got too dark. I might do a live stream here real quick. But anyways, that should do it. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe, all that good stuff. Check the description for anything else, and hit the notification bell to be notified for uploads and live streams. Thanks guys so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.